Passive income has become one of the most talked about financial concepts in recent years, especially as people look for ways to earn money beyond traditional jobs. The idea of making money while you sleep, travel, or focus on other priorities is incredibly appealing. However, many beginners misunderstand passive income, thinking it requires no effort at all. In reality, most passive income streams require an initial investment of time, money, or skills before they begin to generate consistent returns. The goal is to build systems that eventually require minimal maintenance while continuing to produce income. In 2026, with the rise of digital platforms, automation tools, and global connectivity, there are more opportunities than ever for beginners to start building passive income streams from scratch. Now, starting early allows you to take advantage of compounding, whether in investments, digital products, or royalties, and this can significantly increase your financial independence over time. Today, we will talk about the best passive income ideas for beginners. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. What is passive income and how does it work? Passive income refers to earnings generated with little to no daily effort after the initial setup. Unlike active income, where you trade your time for money, passive income allows you to earn continuously from work you have already completed or investments you have made. It is important to understand that passive income is not instant. Most streams require upfront effort, such as creating a product, learning a skill, investing money, or building an audience. The beauty of passive income is that once your system is in place, it can generate revenue without constant supervision. Think of it as planting seeds. The initial work is critical, but over time the plants grow and yield fruit automatically. Why passive income is important in 2026. In today's rapidly evolving economy, relying on a single source of income can be risky. Job markets fluctuate, salaries may stagnate, and inflation can erode purchasing power. Passive income provides financial stability by diversifying your sources of earnings. Moreover, passive income frees up your time. Instead of working more hours to earn more money, you can focus on strategic activities, personal development, or exploring new opportunities. This freedom can allow you to scale your income, pursue your passions, or even retire earlier than expected. In short, passive income is not just about money, it's about lifestyle freedom, financial security, and building resilience against economic uncertainty. Dividend investing, earning from stocks. Dividend investing is one of the simplest ways to start building passive income. When you buy shares of companies that distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders, you can earn money regularly, usually quarterly. For beginners, it's essential to focus on companies with a stable history of dividend payments. Even with small amounts of money, fractional shares allow you to invest in large companies without needing thousands of dollars. Over time, as dividends are reinvested, your portfolio grows exponentially due to the power of compounding. Example, if you start with $500 and reinvest all dividends, in a few years, your earnings could double without adding more money, depending on stock performance. Real estate income without owning property. Traditional real estate investment often requires significant capital and management responsibilities, which can deter beginners. Fortunately, you can now earn passive income in real estate without owning a physical property through real estate investment trusts, REITs. REITs pool investor money to purchase, manage, and rent properties. Investors receive a share of rental income and profits from property appreciation. REITs are traded like stocks, providing liquidity that traditional property investment doesn't offer for beginners. And this approach allows you to start earning rental income and diversify your portfolio without large upfront costs. Creating digital products. Digital products are among the most scalable and high potential sources of passive income. Ebooks, online courses, software, and templates are all examples of products that, once created, can be sold repeatedly without additional production costs. Beginners can start by identifying a niche where they have expertise or experience. For instance, a fitness enthusiast could create a beginner workout guide or meal plan template. Once uploaded to online platforms, these products can generate sales automatically. The more value you provide, the more likely your products will continue to sell over months and years. Starting a blog, YouTube channel, or social platform building content platforms like blogs, YouTube channels, or social media accounts allows for passive income through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Although it requires effort up front, creating videos, articles, or posts, the content continues to earn money long after it's published. For example, a single YouTube video that ranks well for search terms could generate views and ad revenue for years. The key is to focus on high-quality content that solves problems, entertains, or educates an audience. Over time, your audience becomes your greatest asset, and each piece of content you create is a revenue-generating tool. Affiliate marketing. Earning through recommendations. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services through unique referral links. On each sale made via your link earns you a commission, often ranging from 5% to 50% depending on the product or service. This is particularly beginner-friendly because you don't need to create your own product. Focus on products that align with your niche or expertise. For instance, if you run a tech blog, recommending software tools or gadgets can earn you recurring commissions. The more trust and authority you build with your audience, the more income you can generate through affiliate marketing. Print-on-demand and e-commerce stores. Print-on-demand services allow you to create and sell physical products, such as t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, without holding inventory. When someone buys a product, the print-on-demand company handles printing, packaging, and shipping while you earn a profit margin. Similarly, beginner e-commerce stores using drop shipping models can generate passive income. You list products from suppliers online and they ship directly to customers. Both models reduce upfront costs and risks while enabling your store to operate with minimal supervision once set up. High-yield savings accounts and fixed income options. For those seeking low-risk passive income, high-yield savings accounts, certificates of deposit, CDs, and government bonds can provide steady returns through interest payments. While the returns are smaller compared to other strategies, they offer security and liquidity. Beginners can combine these conservative options with higher risk strategies like investing or digital products to create a balanced portfolio. Over time, even modest returns add up, especially if reinvested consistently. Licensing and royalties. If you are a creative individual, licensing your work such as music, photography, videos, or written content can generate long-term passive income. Each time your work is used commercially, you receive payment. This strategy is particularly effective for artists, musicians, photographers, and writers. Platforms like stock photo websites, music licensing platforms, and self-publishing services make it easier than ever to monetize creative work without ongoing active involvement. Automation and scaling your income streams. Automation is the backbone of passive income. Using software tools to manage emails, social media, ad campaigns, or online stores ensures your systems run smoothly without constant attention. Once a process is automated, you can scale it. For example, a successful online course can be promoted through automated email sequences, affiliate partnerships, and paid ads, significantly increasing sales without additional effort. Scaling transforms a small income stream into a substantial source of revenue over time. Common mistakes beginners should avoid. Many beginners fall into the trap of expecting passive income to be easy money. They often jump into multiple ideas simultaneously without fully developing one or give up too quickly when results are slow. Other common mistakes include falling for scams, neglecting research, and not tracking results. To succeed, focus on a few strategies that align with your skills, remain consistent, and treat your efforts like a long-term investment. Building multiple streams of passive income. Diversifying your passive income sources increases stability and minimizes risk. Beginners should aim to develop at least 3 to 5 income streams over time. If you liked this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up, leave a comment, and click the button to subscribe.